Hi there, today we are going to be making catfish using the new Louisiana air fryer seasoned coating mix for fish. We already gave the chicken and pork a try. If you missed those videos, I will leave a link to them at the end of this one. These are apparently pretty hard to find right now. I know Amazon has them, but you have to buy 6 of them. They do have a variety pack, so if you want to check all 3 out, that would be a way to go, and I will leave a link to that down below if you are interested in checking it out. The air fryer that I will be using today is the Cooks Essentials 5.3 quart. With that, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so as I did with the pork and chicken mix, I followed the directions exactly what the box says. I'm going to do the same thing today with the fish. Step number 1, rinse up to 2 pounds of fish thoroughly with ice cold water. I just did that off camera. I'm going to be making 2 catfish fillets today. Now we need to get our breading mix into our dish. Oh, that smells very nice. Now we are ready to bread up our fillets. I like to pat the breading in well. I like to get every nook and cranny. All right, I am done with this one. I'm going to shake off the excess. And I'm going to bread up the other one, and then we will pop these in the air fryer. I have these breaded up. We are ready to pop these in the air fryer. Just like the chicken and pork, we do not need to spritz these with any oil at all. All right, let's move on over to the air fryer. Now my Cooks Essentials air fryer does not have a 375-degree setting, so I'm going to go with 380, and I set the timer for 15 minutes. Halfway through, we're going to flip these over. Okay, we have 7 minutes left into the cooking time. I'm going to take these out and flip them over. Flipped and going back in for the remaining 7 minutes. Let's go ahead and take a bite. Okay. This by far is my favorite out of the 3. This is delicious. It's not lacking salt. I can actually taste the salt in here. It is not lacking anything. Now this does have a little bit of spice to it, not too much. I highly recommend this one for sure. I do taste a little bit of garlic in here, and of course a little bit of that cayenne pepper. Again, it's not too spicy. I am really liking this. I will definitely buy this again. So out of the 3 mixes, fish is definitely my favorite. Chicken number 2, pork number 3. If you missed the chicken and pork videos, you can check them out here. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.